This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have your Microsoft account ready. Now launch Whiteboard. First, open the Microsoft Whiteboard app or go to the web version and sign in. Once signed in, choose New Whiteboard to create a blank canvas and let the app finish syncing. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection so boards update. If you are on Windows, pin Whiteboard to the taskbar for quick access. These steps get you into an editable board and ready to add content immediately. Once you have an open board, choose a template or keep it blank, depending on your goal. Use the toolbar to switch between pen, text, sticky notes, and shape tools. Press and hold a tool for color or thickness options. Insert images or files to annotate and drag to rearrange content. Make sure to name the board so collaborators can find it. Then invite people by sharing the link or opening the board inside a Teams meeting so everyone edits in real time. Finish by verifying autosave and sync status. The sync icon confirms changes are stored. To share broadly, export the board as an image or download the Whiteboard file for later import. When presenting, open the board inside Teams and use Spotlight or Follow Presenter mode so attendees focus on content. If collaborators can't join or edits don't appear, sign out and sign back in, check network settings, and, if needed, clear
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.